garden under the sun. Cat and dog were having fun. Let's play a game, said dog with glee. Hide and seek, just you and me. Cat is hiding quiet inside. Dog is searching low and high. Through the bushes, round the tree. Where, oh where could kitty be? Cat is crouched behind the shed, pawing gently, tilting head. Dog runs past with sniff and bark, missing cat in that leafy park. Tip tap paws and a tail sways. They've been playing games for days. Sometimes cat will seek and find, while dog sneaks up from behind. Dog is hiding, wagging tail. Cat is creeping down the